So hey you guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new to the family, sorry but you missed out on this good giveaway, but the good news is now that you joined the family, you're in for a ride for new giveaways coming soon. Now if you're original diamond, hey boo, I see you, and welcome back, because today this is the second time I'm recording this, but I needed to announce the giveaway winners. And the giveaway was for the AFU palettes on Amazon and for the 2 beauty boxes that I was giving out. So there were 10 winners for the AFU palettes, and good thing I wrote all the names down here on a piece of paper, because I need to reach out to you guys, or you guys need to reach out to me, and I will let you know who I already reached out to and who needs to reach out to me. And for the 2 beauty box winners, I already have a way to reach out to y'all. So as you all do not know, I will be doing a updated video on a explanation type of video, but just to give you a long story short, iMovie deleted all of my videos. Every video that I have been doing, which was over 30 videos that I already have saved to my computer. I don't know how to explain it, but the videos, once I record a video, because all I have is an SD card, I don't have no other way to back my videos up on, I always export them into, I always import them to iMovie, and then I create my movie files and I let them sit there. Until I'm ready to edit them and upload them to YouTube. Well, I've been doing it ever since I got that MacBook, that Mac iOS, in, I think that was last year, the beginning of last year, 2017 or 2018. I've been doing that ever since, and never once have I ever had a problem with it. But yesterday morning, I was editing a video that I knew that I needed to go up, and iMovie popped up with this message saying that they can no longer keep my videos. And the only way you could get out that box was by clicking OK. Well, I clicked OK, and poof. I don't know how to get it back. I have so much content that was on iMovie that needed to be going up on YouTube when I needed it to go on YouTube, and I can't remember every single video I did, nor every single product I used. So if you guys will work with me and be patient, it is so devastating. I even contemplated not doing YouTube no more due to that fact, because I worked so hard to create these videos and edit these videos for it all to disappear. Like, it was so heartbreaking to me. I'm gonna announce the 2 beauty box winners off top, and the 2 beauty box winners will be, drum roll please. The first winner for the beauty box is Lindsay Erin. That is one of my good YouTube sisters. So she's one of the beauty box winners that I picked out of the hat. And just to let you guys know before I go any further, I got a lot of views on the giveaway, and there were some rules that you needed to follow, and I went specifically through every little rule, and a certain amount of people did what the rules were for. So if you did one rule but not the other rule, there's no way you could get in the giveaway. I told you in that giveaway that I will be watching very closely, and I did. So if you didn't follow all the rules, do know for the future giveaways, you have to follow all the rules in order to be qualified for the giveaway. So Lindsay Erin is one of the beauty box winners, and the other beauty box winner is, let me make sure I'm saying this right. If I mess it up, I'm sorry, but everybody is going to be right here in the screen. But Marcello Oquendo. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I do have your email address, so I will be contacting you shortly once this video is uploaded. And Lindsay, I will be contacting you as well. So everybody, congratulate them too on the beauty boxes. Now for the 10 winners for the AFU. Now, when I contact you or you contact me, I will give you the direct links to contact AFU, and all you have to do is tell them that you came from A.MaRee Beauty's giveaway, and they'll take care of you, okay? So the first winner is Deja Renee. Hey Deja girl, congratulations on your AFU shadow palette. I do have your information, so I will be contacting you. The next winner is Jennifer Ford. Congratulations, Jennifer Ford. I need you to contact my email ASAP. The next one will be Liddie Robin. Congratulations, Liddie Robin. I need you to contact my email ASAP. The next winner is CeceJ. Congratulations, girl. I will be contacting you shortly. The next winner is Rachel Henry. Congratulations, Rachel Henry. I need you to contact me ASAP. The next winner is 22_beautiful_soul22. Congratulations, girl. I need you to contact me ASAP. The next winner is GrowWithNikiGaga. Congratulations, boo. I will be contacting you shortly. The next winner is Chuckies Gem. Congratulations, girl. You have won the second AFU giveaway. This is her second time winning, and I will be contacting you very soon. The next winner is Glamplified Beauty. Congratulations, sis. I will be contacting you here shortly. That is my twin. Y'all, I did put everybody's name in the hat, and I did pick. It was on the first video. I lost the clips. I lost everything, so I can't reenact that. So good thing I did write everybody down. And the last winner for the AFU eyeshadow palette will be my sister, my girl, Talisa Rae. So congratulations, Talisa Rae. I will be contacting you here in a minute as well. So there you have it, you guys. That is everybody that won. It was 10 winners for the AFU Beauty eyeshadow palettes and 2 winners for the makeup beauty boxes. Once I get everybody's addresses and stuff and everybody contacts AFU the correct way, everything will be shipped out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway. If you did not win, please do not get discouraged. Stay along with the family because there is another giveaway coming up very soon. And like I said, if you guys will please be patient with me on recreating content and basically starting all over from zero. I will highly appreciate it. I know there was a lot going on for me in February. A lot of those videos explaining what was going on in February have been deleted as well. So I kind of gotta try to recreate those videos so that you guys will know exactly what's been going on in my life for the month of February. I have so much catching up to. It is ridiculous. I have so many companies reaching out to me trying to figure out where their videos are. I apologize. They have been deleted, and I will be calling Mac troubleshooting later on today to try to get that taken care of. But you guys, I thank y'all so much for entering this giveaway. I hope you all enjoy your prizes. I hope I could get a unboxing review, a letter, a text message, something saying you got it, and I will be happy. And stay tuned. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, and share with your friends if you like. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you all. Deuces.